Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Canva to Google Docs. Basically, how to get those awesome designs you made in Canva right into your docs, step by step. Whether you're putting together a more eye-catching report, want a customized image in your project, or just want your documents to pop, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to bring your Canva creations into Google Docs quickly and confidently. Let's dive right in. First thing you'll want to do is jump over to Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, it's a super friendly design tool that's great for making everything from Instagram posts to business cards. For today, we're keeping it simple and starting from scratch. Once you're on Canva's homepage, head up to the top right and click on that Create button. This is your gateway to starting any new project in Canva. Next up, you'll see different design sizes and options, but what we want is a custom size. So go ahead and select the custom size option. Now, for this example, we're going to set the dimensions to 300 by 300 pixels. That's a nice, neat square that works really well for most Google Docs layouts, big enough to stand out but not so big that it disrupts your document. You can always adjust this size later on depending on your needs, but 300 by 300 is a good starting point if you're not sure. Once you've set your size, Canva will open a blank canvas for you. Here comes the fun part, choosing a template. Canva has tons of templates ready to go, and you can scroll through and pick one that matches the style or mood you're trying to create. Maybe you want something bold and colorful, or maybe something more minimalist. Go ahead and click on a template you like, and you can customize it as much as you want, change the colors, edit the text, swap out images, really make it yours. This is where you get to be creative, so don't be afraid to experiment a little. And remember, if you just want a completely blank image, you can always start with the blank canvas. Now that you're happy with your design, it's time to download it to your computer. Up at the top right of Canva, you'll see a download button. Click that. I recommend leaving the file type as PNG for crisp, clear images inside Google Docs, but you can also use JPEG if you prefer. Go ahead and hit download, and Canva will prepare your file and save it to your downloads folder. Sometimes this takes a few moments, so don't worry if it doesn't show up instantly. Alright, now that you have your design saved, let's pop over to Google Docs. Open up the document where you want to add your Canva creation. Once inside, head to the top menu and click Insert. From the drop-down, hover over Image and then select Upload from Computer. This opens up a file browser, so all you need to do is find that Canva design you just saved, usually right in your Downloads folder. Click to select it and then click Open. And that's it. You'll see your Canva image pop directly into your Google Doc. You can now click and drag to resize it, move it around, or position it anywhere you like within your file. It's a great way to add some personality and polish to your documents. So that's the whole process, from designing in Canva to having that image live in your Google Doc. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and hopefully you're feeling ready to give your next document a visual upgrade. If you got value out of this, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about Canva, Google Docs, or any creative tips, just drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.